So, have you seen these new Nothing Headphone 1? I mean, come on, only Nothing would drop something that looks like this. You've got that signature transparent vibe again, where you can literally see the screws, sensors, and the inner guts of the headphones, giving them a slightly retro-futuristic vibe. It feels less like headphones and more like wearable tech art. And the shape? Definitely not your usual rounded ear cups. These are squared off but still kind of soft around the edges. Not quite boxy, not quite circular, just super distinctive with cassette-inspired look. It's bold, it's different, and it's exactly the kind of anti-mainstream move we've come to expect from Nothing. But here's what's interesting. Those squared ear cups might not just be for show. That extra internal space could actually help the drivers breathe better, which means better sound quality and possibly stronger ANC. There might be support for both USB-C and 3.5mm wired connections, along with wireless playback, so if that turns out to be true, it's covering all the bases. Now, the headband doesn't look overly padded, but it seems dense and intentional, built for comfort without being bulky. Looks like there are no folding hinges here, which probably means these aren't built for compact folding, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. It gives the whole frame a more solid, durable feel, like it's meant to last. Plus, the ear cups might still rotate flat, so they'll fit into a bag or case without too much hassle. Control-wise, buttons and sliders seem mechanical and tactile, possibly with multi-function control like swipe or press, and they've reportedly teamed up with KEF, that British audio brand audiophiles love. That alone tells you they're gunning for premium sound. Basically, they want to offer AirPods Max level audio, but without the AirPods Max level price tag. And yeah, about the price, leaks suggest these could land around $309 in the US, €299 in Europe, and £299 in the UK. Not exactly cheap, but if Nothing really delivers on the sound quality and design front, that could actually feel pretty fair, especially if they're aiming to compete with the likes of AirPods Max, but at a slightly more wallet-friendly level. Still, it's leaked info, so let's not get our hopes or our credit cards ready just yet. If it all comes together like the leaks suggest, this could be a serious contender. Until then, stay curious and stay tuned. Peace.